All right, today we're going to demonstrate our 12 by 24 Okamoto CNC surface grinder. It's a model ACC 1224 DXNC-P. It's serial number 63534. It's new in 2007. Right now, the grinding spindle is running at about 800 RPM. We're going to crank it up a little bit. It's coming up, that's 1200. That's 1800 right there. It's very, very quiet. The spindle head has two different ranges for torque. I'm going to turn on the low now. That's about 800 or 900 RPM in the low. Again, I'm just selecting a winding of the motor for more or less torque. You can see the speed here. It's about 1800 RPM again. Very quiet. We're going to jog the axes around. We'll do Y first, up and down. That's jogging. You have in and out with the Z. Again, very quiet. You can also use your hand wheel. You can use it in a fine, a medium, and like a rapid feed. You can do Z, in and out. And we'll start the See, again, hydraulics are very quiet. The machine is equipped with a spindle chiller. We'll show you around the back. If you come over here, you can see there's a rotary dresser. We can run that. Shut it off. All right, I'll take you around. This is the coolant tank right here. And like I had said before, there's your spindle chiller. And this machine is also equipped with something that was installed at the facility it was at. It's ran through this box. It looks like it's a brush. I don't know if it's to clean off the part or whatever it was used for. I'll start the brush. You can stop, you can go there, and you're also able to you can speed up and slow down the rotation of that brush with a potentiometer on the back. And you can also slow it down depending on what you choose to do with it. That's about it. Thanks for watching the video.